First, I need to get some coffee here. I make a kind of for 2 serving, 2 people. That's why I asked a lot more coffee. Okay. This is for 2 people. If 1 people, I got last, and then now here first I drop some water just to wait a little bit. Okay. Now I add tire. I put the lid on and wait until they drop all them. So let's wait for stop for a little bit. Wait until the coffee usually I have to put, so I got the, I will show you some carrots in there. Now that's a, I got about half of this. Yeah, for this cup, and this one for the sugar. Let's see. Yeah, that's not bad. Second, still strong coffee, so add a little bit more. Now add some ice. If you want kind of to emphasize the strong, yes, give you a little bit sugar in here, and it tastes more better if you add a little bit sugar this case. So that's the justify the strong of the sweetness. Yummy. Yeah. Thank you for watching. And this one, I just add some sugar and then add I if I want, or it's very strong. So a strong coffee here. I give a little bit more water, hot water. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Vậy chăm này. Now you see how I did it. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.